Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to make a doll house. To make this doll house I have some cardboards, plywoods, paper and glue gun. With the help of glue gun I am joining these two plywoods. Covering it with the glue and paper. And now I am designing the window. Be careful while doing this. And next I have to join the wall. And from the piece of cardboard I made a small rack. ऐसे तो यूजुअली बच्चे टॉयज से नहीं खेलते हैं, बट अगर आप उस चीज़ को यूज़ करके कुछ बना दो तो ज़रूर खेलेंगे. I have this extra bowl that I'm gonna use it as a sink. Now I have to make bed for the doll. To support the roof I have to place something, so I have this wooden stick which I'm gonna place in between, touching the top and the floor. For the sofa I have to cut this disposable glass in halves and keeping the cardboard on the top of it to make a table for the sofa, and just placing in front of the sofa. Now for the second floor, assembling all the things together. Bed, using this box as a bedside table and a small mirror, and I'm done. So here is the output. It's not so perfect, but yeah, so you can play with this.